Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable your Roblox voice chat. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I want to tell you you need one identity verification. Without identity verification you cannot enable your Roblox voice chat because they have a standard community, and to follow their community you need to verify your, you can say, age, and without verification and without providing identity you cannot enable your voice chat. And if you really want to enable your voice chat, then you need to provide identity, because in some cases like someone will abuse any kind of, you can say, their community, then they can identify you very easily. So that's why they need your identity. Okay, so first of all you need to click on your setting icons. Okay, and once you click on setting icon, the option will pop up and you need to click on settings. And once your setting a window will open, you need to click on this window. You can see over here there is an option like verify my age, and once you click on verify my age, you will be show a new pop-up. On this pop-up you need to scan this QR code, okay, in your smartphone, and you have any kind of valid identity proof like driving license, passport, ID card, or resident permit. Okay, so you need any kind of identity which on which your name and like your address is printed on your identity. Okay, so once you click you can say scan your this you can say this scan QR code, and once you scan your QR code, this type of window will open, and you need to click on let's go. And once you click on let's go, it will show you some, it will provide you some kind of, you can say, camera options. You need to upload your, you can say, identity from back side and your front side of your identity, and you need to provide your you can say biometric options, or you need to provide your selfie also. Okay, and once you complete each and every information, you will see this kind of window, and in the end you will see this kind of message. Okay, so in the end you will see this kind of message like your identity verification is in the initial states of, you can say, verification, and once each and everything is complete, then you will see this kind of message like your identity has been confirmed and you are now verified and your age is now verified. Okay, so once your age is verified, then you need to go to in your account like billing section, and in the billing section you will see there is a privacy section. You need to click on privacy section, and once you click on privacy section, you will see like this kind of option like this option, and enable voice chat. Okay, so if you don't see this kind of option, you need to refresh your account, and once you see this kind of option like enable voice chat, you need to tick, or you can say you need to toggle this on, and the toggle should be on. And once you click on you can set this toggle, you will see a new pop-up will appear. You can see over here this kind of toggle will show you, and on this toggle you will see they have a standard community and all. You need to click on this check button, and you need to click on enable now. Okay, and once you click on enable, your voice chat will enable, and you will see this kind of window will open, and your voice chat is now enabled. If this voice chat is not working for you, maybe your game setting is not properly fixed, or you can say maybe your mic is not working, so you need to verify your mic and you need to verify your game settings. Okay, and that's it. By using this method you can easily enable your Roblox voice chat. Okay, so if this video will helpful for you, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.